Hello, hello! Me again. Okay, guys. So we have today our language class. Let's see what we're going to do in our language class. First of all, we're going to review our school supplies. Those are things that you really need to know the names. And you said when you're talking in English with Miss Angelita, or any other teacher that speaks in English. Okay? Then you're going to be reviewing that. You're going to have a video. You're going to go to the page of the book where we put the stickers and you're going to be reviewing. Let's remember some of those. But before that, let's see if we can sing our months of the year song. You ready? Go! January, February, March, and April, May. June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Here are the months of the year. Okay, guys, let's remember what month are we right now? Are we still in February? No, right? I don't think so. Which month? The one that comes after February. March. Good job. Okay, I have my own supplies here, school supplies. So I'm going to show you. You're going to tell me first the name. Okay, are you ready? What is this? What? Glue. That's right. What about this one? Yes, sharpener. Good job. And this one? Scissors. Excellent job. And this one? Marker. Great. Okay, what about this one? Excellent. An eraser. And this one? Pencil. That's right. What a good memory. What about this one? Yeah, we don't use it that much in right now, but you have to know it. Ruler. Good job. And what about this one? This is my big pen. Okay, very good. And pencil case. Excellent job. What about this one? Color pencils. Great, guys. I see that you remember a lot of them. That's amazing. So I think that is going to be very easy for you to do the activity for today. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.